Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm Kelvin and today we're back to our philosophy topic. So first, before we come into our topic, I'll explain about this again for someone who don't know. Of course, I already explained it in the Vietnamese clip that I have this week, but still, maybe for some people who don't know Vietnamese, just for some, I don't mean that there is a lot of people who don't know Vietnamese here, I know, but still, yeah, that's from my sister, and she makes some furniture that she think is pretty here, and I don't have the courage to take them down, so yeah, I left it there. So let's come straight into our topic today and forget about those things. So today our topic is going to talking about what are you using philosophy for. So as the name of the topic, you guys can see this is almost the last topic. It's just almost the last topic of our philosophy topic, but still it's not the last yet. But we are going to talk about the philosophy anyway. So today we are going to talk about how to use philosophy in real life. So as I say, the philosophy is thing we have to use by argument and by conclusion. Maybe it seems a little bit of complicated, but the truth is this video is very short. It didn't take too much details and also things is very simple to understand. So of course that philosophy can be difficult for you who want to learn it. But that is not mean there is no way to learn and be good at philosophy. We already know that the answer to life's big question. So if you found yourself scratching your head a few times while reading this book or reading a book, you have to go to make an argument. For example, if I'm reading a book and I think there's a new idea of talking in the book, I should find my family to make an argument. So that's how we use the philosophy in real life. Let's take some true examples that is very usual with everybody here. The first one, like when your mom tells you stop playing games and go to do your homework, you must say, no, I am a person. And for me, I think that playing games is make me understand things more better. It make me feel very good. It make me feel interesting, and also it's English. So I could learn English through this. So I don't think that we could do homework, for example. And for the second one, maybe that someone tell you that, you guys should go to school on time. It's not good to be late. You guys could say that we meant that the school didn't teach us really anything. Anything we have in schools have to be focused and also go to use with things we learn by experience in our real life, so that could make the real valuable. So what's the point of us going to time at school? There's some subject that didn't need us to be here at all. Or you guys could say, sorry miss, but the things are the problem that make me being late is not by myself. It's things that the world set me to, or things that I cannot control. So I'm really sorry if I'm late, but I cannot help it. For example, right? So if you really want to be good and get into the philosophy topic, or get into know more about philosophy, a simple way to make it improve that go into start and more argument and read more book. So you guys can see that the best way to do philosophy is to argue with people. Of course that reading book gives you guys knowledge and also the ideas about philosophy too, but after all the philosophy is thing that creates from argument, and argument is created from ideas of an argue, and also that thing will to lead to a conclusion. So the conclusion coming out from the question is the most important things that you need to have when you want to get into philosophy. Because if you don't have that things, maybe let me change my camera angle a little bit. Okay, so if you don't have the knowledge by reading books and don't practice yourself by going to argue with people, of course you might have one of tools, but you will not have it all. It will be really hard for you to understand and also to use philosophy to make you your own advantage when you're going to argue with people or when you're going to debate, of course, right? So that's just all I want to say with you guys today about how we could use philosophy into our real life. And now it's time for us to say goodbye then. See ya!